Hi, welcome to the Spike Web Automation demo. This site I'm about to demonstrate is known as our beta, and it is an example of how the process of web automation works. Now, typically when you log into your bank's website, the browser talks directly to the bank's website. You fill in your username and password, which then gets you access to the rest of your account. In the case of this demo, the beta, when you load up the beta and submit your username and password over a secure connection, you send it to a robot sitting in the Spike servers, which then accesses your bank account on your behalf, logs in as you, downloads your 90 days worth of transactions, and returns those transactions back for you to display, back for you to view in your in the beta application. So let's get going with the demo. First, you fill in contact details. This is not the login credentials for your bank. Then you select whom you bank with. These are the banks that Spike currently supports. Let's demo Standard Bank. This is now the username and password to log on to an account. This is the equivalent of, on the Standard Bank site, sticking in a username and password at this point. And I'm going to go ahead on the Standard Bank website just to show you what this account actually looks like. As you can see, there's an access account. It has a latest balance of 140 Rand. So let's switch back to the demo and actually try using the web automation system. As I click next here, it's submitting the login credentials for this user to the Spike robot. The Spike robot is then logging on behalf of myself and accessing the list of accounts. It will then return the list of accounts and display them in this application. As you can see, here is that access account with 140 Rand that we just saw on the Standard Bank website when we logged in. Now I'm going to select that account and ask it to retrieve 90 days worth of transaction history. And again, this has been sent over a secure connection. The robot is now finding its way to the transaction history page. Then it is going to retrieve the transactions, return it to this application, and once it has been retrieved, it will display it in here. The robot, as soon as it's finished doing its work, is now logged off and closed down. The passwords are not saved. There's no further record, no personally identifiable records left on any of the Spike servers. And these, being a testing account, there are not very many transactions in there. Just to show you what it looks like on the Standard Bank site. These are the transactions that we just downloaded, 31st of August and 29th of September. Okay, so switching back to that, that's the end of the demo, and that's web automation. Thanks.